Miggy.
Panaginip lang pala yun nung naglalaban tayo.
Ang panaginip na laban-laban.
Ayan o, ikaw nga naka-shield ka nga eh, dapat dapat naka-shield ka nun. Wala
akong shield.
Wala ka pang shield.
Nag-hallucinate ka lang ata.
Ay, nag-hallucinate kasi naghahabulan daw tayo eh. Yun, tapos daw, nakailang patay na daw ako. Ano? Ha? Alright, na-restock ako. Saan ka ba? So, hindi pala totoo yun nung nagpunta ka ng probinsya? Ha? Okay, balik mo yan.
Okay, alam ko na kung bakit ganito tayo. Ay, sorry.
Hoy! Akin na yan. Balik mo yan. Huwag mo na yan. Aba.
Hanapin ko nga.
Uy! Tama na nga! Ano ba hinahanap mo? Uy! Wag kasi!
To.
Wag mo babasahin yan. Saan ba yung diary mo? Wala na yan. Dapat isang place lang yan. Kaso dinamihan mo na yung place eh. Saan mo nilagay?
Ito. Yung nandito. Sige. Pag-usapan mo na mamaya.
Oh. Don't steal my things. Oh, I kill you, boy. I need to sleep. Okay. I'm gonna buy some things in the store. Oh, I almost fell. Ow! I'm still sleepy. Where up to, Toy up? Tutoy!
Pasok!
This. Hey, what are you have a wall in this place? I didn't finish my house. I didn't finish my bathroom and where are you? Hey! Are you up to something, huh? What's your name is 67? What are you doing in there? Ow! 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 What's your problem? What's your problem? Huh? Ow! What is this? Wait. Okay, it's not a diary.
Okay.
Why you up to something in this gold block, huh? You're hiding something, are you? Ow, ow, ow! Okay, chill. I'm gonna watch some TV, I guess. Why? I'm gonna watch some TV because you are rich. You have 2 TVs and I have 1 only. Okay. That's not all. That is something, okay. Okay, gonna buy some shop. Maybe not. Maybe tomorrow, I guess. Hey, Tutoy! Tutoy! Why RJ is not in here? In here. Why RJ is have no house in here? Why RJ have no house in here?
I don't know.
What about Taya? He is in work. Yes. Okay. Maybe he is busy. And RJ, maybe he is busy too. Okay, gonna finish my house. Maybe I gonna ruin this place and let's go.